I would like to pass the floor once more to Dr. Andrei Bavailo to share a few brief words on the developmental trajectory and agenda of deep pharma intelligence for the next year. Andrei, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Franco. First of all, I'd like to thank you, Panna, for really insightful presentation. As a scientist myself, I had great pleasure listening to these developments and impressed myself. And I believe this is a nice illustrative example of how AI can be leveraged already today with very tangible results. And yeah, so with that, I'd like to share also several words about our major plans that Deep Pharma Intelligence have in mind for the coming year. First of all, as was mentioned already, but I will repeat that we are launching commercial platform where we will put together all these blocks of software, all these visualization tools, and add much more to it, including the machine learning capacity. And this will be launched several months from now, I believe, for the beta testing, and so I welcome you to explore the platform already today. It has already some pretty powerful features, and it will be expanded further. So regarding the analytics, we are planning to publish quarterly open access reports on AI in pharma, keeping track of new developments and new companies in this field, and some other things. And also, we are going to produce reports on some other emerging areas like new therapeutics, stem cells, and more. And so we will be announcing those reports shortly. On a monthly basis, we're going to produce kind of highlight mini reports to keep track of what's happening and kind of not strategic, but probably tactical things that might be leveraged by the companies to have opportunities for growth or investment, etc. And also, yeah, I already mentioned, but a landscape report on stem cells market, key players and developments will be released, I believe in February or a little later, and it will be featuring the market. This is a very growing field with a lot of opportunities. And also, we're going to publish our reflection on the year of pandemic, so to speak, and indeed reveal some how COVID-19 actually impacted the pharmaceutical industry, both business-like and in terms of research, accelerating research. As Dmitry mentioned, this COVID pandemics accelerated certain things in terms of AI adoption, but it was also a challenging year, and for example, some trials were postponed or didn't happen, and a lot of things didn't happen due to COVID restrictions or lockdowns. But on the other hand, it catalyzed very, very rapid progress in technological. People kind of adapted to a new reality, and also we will see how it impacted the investment landscape and what to do in the new year. What conclusions we should be deriving from what happened in 2020. And of course, I welcome you to our upcoming webinar, which will happen probably on 18th, but the date will be notified later on, shortly after the webinar. And so welcome to attend. We will have also guest speakers to illustrate our findings. And finally, I'd like to conclude my presentation with the statement that we are open for collaboration in a number of ways. So we welcome joint report production efforts with relevant entities, both in the R&D space and in financial investment space. And also media partnerships and promotion is a very active area of activity for us. And We are happy to partner with local startup communities and innovation hubs where they can leverage our global presence, whereas we can learn from them more specifically about their local innovation, trends, developments, and new companies. And for really big projects, we are happy to consider joint ventures. So for any questions, contact us at info@deeppharma.tech, and we will be happy to discuss further. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that.